Hi guys, it's Matthew again. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install satellites. You can see I have some satellites up there where I want to position one of the dish to a new satellite. So right now I'm going to be using, and the dish has been assembled already. So the first thing you need to do, I hope you already have your equipment, the dish ready, and the satellite finder. So I'm using this box right here, so you can see some of the dish right there, and the dish has been assembled already. So I'm going to be positioning the middle dish to a satellite. That's one satellite 51.5 degree east. Okay, so we are back. I'm going to be using an app because the satellite I'm tracking is 51.5 degrees. That's the position. So I'm using this app right here on the Android phone. It's called Satellite TV. This is the app right here, Satellite TV. So I've launched the app, and I click on Start Now. So I'm going to click on Next. Okay, I'm going to search for the satellite I want to track here, which is the Bellinsat 51.5 degree. So once I click on it, okay, so the reason why we are using this app is because it makes it faster to quickly know the positioning of the satellite you want to track. So as stated earlier, I'm going to be tracking the Bellinsat 51 degrees. So once I search for the satellite on the app, I click on Scan Now. Then I'll now raise my phone up. Make sure your GPS is on. So the satellite is 51 degrees east. So what it's saying is move your phone to 30 degrees left. So I'm going to move it to 30 degrees left. So you can see right there. You can see what is showing. Okay, let me click close there. Okay, you can see that's the exact angle. So I already know where my dish is going to point to. So the next thing is to go right up and position my dish. That's 51.5 degree east. So let's go up. Okay, we are here. So I'm going to be, first of all, I'm going to set the tracking frequency on the satellite finder. Here is what I'm using here. This has an inbuilt decoder right here. You can see I've connected the cable. So I'm going to put the satellite under hotbed. So I'm going to scroll down. You can put your satellite anywhere. I'm going to scroll down to hotbed. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to select it. Okay, that's hotbed. So I'm going to click on transponder to enter my transponder for the satellite I want to track. Okay, so this is a frequency. There's a frequency right there, 110. I've already entered it. Make sure you know the frequency of the satellite you want to track. So 110 dot, that's the polarization is vertical, and you can see 11010 V3001. So I'm going to climb up now to connect the cable to the LMB. Then we'll move the dish to 51.5 degree east. So once the cable is connected, you will see the signal color. It will show red, but once it hits signal, it will change to green. Depends on the device you are using to track. Okay, the LMB, connecting the other cable to the LMB now. Okay, so there's a dish, and we're already facing east already. So there's a dish right there. Then I'm going to be looking at my box while rolling the dish around and around. So you can see this is my box, so you can see the red signal right there. So I'm going to be rolling the dish. You hold it, the rod, then you face it up, you twist it towards the position where the phone points to. So you can see I'm also okay. So I'll be watching the box, then also rolling the dish. You can see the dish. I'm using my hand to hold it, so I'm going to point it towards the left a bit. As so I'm also watching the box. So I'm rolling it, so you can see down. Okay. So once we're in the actual position, it's going to change to green. Okay. Okay, you can see right there. Okay, you see I'm close to where the signal is. Okay, you can see what we are looking for. That's 51.1 degrees. That's 51.5 degree east. You can see the signal strength right there. The intensity is 92, then the quality is 72. So all I'm just going to do is to tighten the bolt. Then if I want to increase the signal, I can turn the LMB. So I will be watching the box too. Once it increases a bit, I'll just tighten it. Then connect the cable to the decoder inside and scan the satellites for channels. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.